At Moneybox, we're helping people turn their money into something greater. Our app helps people achieve their goals and build wealth with confidence throughout their lives, whether that's buying their first home, saving for a rainy day, investing for their future, or planning for retirement. We've grown a lot since our last fundraise in 2020. Assets under administration have tripled to £3 billion. We now have over 800,000 customers, and we've grown our incredible team to 300 people. We've just raised £35 million in our Series D funding round, and now we're inviting you to be part of this next stage of our journey.
I chose to join Moneybox because of the mission. And it is an opportunity for a very, very broad group of people to be empowered to build their wealth. And that's a real mission. That is something to get excited about. And it's something that actually isn't addressed elsewhere.
We've seen the potential of Moneybox from the start. Ever since our first investment in the Series B funding round, we've been impressed by the company's execution, clear revenue model, product innovation, and diversification. We were proud to reinvest by leading the recent Series D funding round at this significant inflection point in the Moneybox journey.
Our product offering is broader than ever before and now encompasses a wide range of savings, investment, and pension products. Plus, a free mortgage service offering our customers home buying support from first step to doorstep. In this next phase of growth, we're going to improve our investing proposition, as well as focus on new and exciting ways to guide and support people with financial planning for today and tomorrow.
As Moneybox continues to grow, our community remains at the heart of everything we do. That's why we want to give you the opportunity to both share in and shape our future success by joining this crowd race. Let's help everybody turn their money into something greater.